Introducing the Advin Health Care PEG set, a complete and reliable solution for performing percutaneous endoscopic gastrostomy procedures. This advanced set is specially developed to provide secure enteral access for patients who require long-term nutritional support when oral intake is not possible. PEG placement allows direct food administration into the stomach, ensuring proper nourishment for patients suffering from neurological disorders, head and neck cancers, swallowing difficulties, or chronic disease conditions. Star Key design and performance features. The Advin PEG set integrates high-quality components to support safe and efficient insertion. A soft silicone or polyurethane feeding tube ensures long-term comfort and compatibility with the gastric environment. The rounded atraumatic tip allows smooth passage during endoscope-guided placement. A strong internal bumper secures the tube firmly inside the stomach, preventing accidental dislodgement. The external fixation device offers precise positioning and adjustable tension to maintain tube stability. The transparent tubing helps clinicians visually confirm fluid flow and detect any blockages instantly. Its wide lumen allows easy administration of nutrition, fluids, and medications while reducing the risk of tube clogging. Small diamond safe and easy procedure. The set supports standard pull technique placement using endoscopic guidance for maximum accuracy. The needle, guide wire, and dilator are engineered for smooth tissue transition while minimizing trauma to the patient. Each component is ergonomically designed and color-coded for easy identification during the procedure, ensuring optimal workflow and reducing operation time. Medical symbol clinical benefits checkmark ensures long-term, reliable nutritional access checkmark minimizes complications and supports infection control checkmark smooth material surface for better patient comfort checkmark secure fixation improves stability and reduces irritation suitable for ICU, oncology, gastroenterology departments, and home care settings under medical supervision. Shield sterility and quality. Every PEG set is sterile, non-toxic, and latex-free, ensuring the highest standards of patient safety. Individually packed for hygienic handling and ready-to-use convenience in clinical environments. Backed by strict quality checks, Advin offers dependable performance trusted by gastro specialists worldwide.